Hey guys, welcome back. On this lecture, I'm going to show you how to start your own Git repository on your machine. Git lets you save different versions of the project to make it easier to work with a team, collaboration and stuff. But especially, it's really handy when you did some bad code and you wish to go back to a previous version of that code. Git lets you do that really, really well. We're going to first set up on your local machine, and then later I'm going to show you how you can push it to a Git repository. I'm going to teach you how to set it up properly and everything. So let's start. If you followed my previous lecture on installing Ruby on Rails, it showed you how you could set up Git. But on either case, I'm going to show you right now how you can configure Git on your new computer. To do this, just type the following command. So git config global user.name. And then just type in your name in these hashes, Thiago Martins, and there you go. And the second thing you have to do is git config global user.email and type in your email here, like so. And that's it. Git is configured on your machine. Don't forget, don't do this every time you have a new project. This is just, you have to do this once on each new computer. The next thing you have to do, we're going to navigate to our app. As you can remember, we created the directory called work. You navigate to that, and then navigate to the directory Facebook on Rails, which is the directory of our Rails app. So cd Facebook on Rails, and that's it. So let's initialize the Git instance. To do this, we do git init initialize empty Git repository. Here we go, and let's see the status of our Git. We can do this by typing git status. Here we go. We have a lot of files to be added to that repository. To add these files to the Git repository, we do git add dots. This means add everything. Done. And if you type git status again, you can see a list of here the files to be committed. So let's commit it. To do this, we just type git commit m. M means for message, and type the message. So we're going to type first commit. That's it. Now your files are properly committed, and let's check that. You have nothing on the new branch. On branch mapping, nothing to commit. Working directory clean. This means that all your files are properly committed. The next thing we're going to do is push this to a repository. So to do this, we first need to configure accounts on GitHub. So to do this, just type in your username of some sorts. I'm going to type it here, Facebook Rails. Here we go. My email. And password. I'm going to start off with a free plan and finish sign up. That's it. We're signed up to Git, so let's create a new repository. And we're gonna call it Facebook on Rails. Make sure it's on public. If it's in private, you have to pay, but the public is fine. And just click create a repository. That's it. And now we're gonna have to push it up, but before that, we need to configure some SSH keys. This means we're going to need to configure GitHub to communicate with our machine. I'm going to walk you through this as well. So first we need to generate some SSH keys. You'll do this by typing the following. So SSH keygen T RSA C, and then type your email associated to that Git repository. Yeah, enter file and which save. Yeah, just press enter and enter the passphrase. Just type your passcode and again, and that's it. You have a fingerprint. Now we need to add this to your GitHub account. To do this, you just go to your settings and SSH keys. There are no SSH keys in your access to your account. So let's add one, and I don't know, iMac. And to copy this key, you just type the following command. So pb copy and the location of your key. So in our case, it's this ss.ssh id rsa.pub. Done. It's copied to our clipboard, and just go to this key textbooks area and paste it, and that's it. Add key. All done. We're now connected to this repository and to this GitHub account. So let's go back to our repository, and we already did this. Git init. We did our commit already. Now we just need to add the remote add origin. So just paste this on your app directory, cd Facebook on Rails, and just do this. That's it. We have a remote origin added. And finally, let's push it up using this command shown here called git push u origin master. My username was Facebook Rails and my password. All done. It should now appear, my code should now appear on this GitHub website. Here we go. Congratulations. See you on the next lecture.